Out here riding the Cloverdale Trails this morning. It's quite windy, but the sun's out. We just got a lot of rain, but these trails drain pretty well. Let's see how they are. Oh yeah. There's quite a few trails out here in the Clear Creek area. Southwest of Reading, near Igo. But the Cloverdale section probably has the most rideable trail. A couple loops out here. Woo, you can hear that wind. It's blasting through. So at this point, if you go this way, it'll connect to the rest of the Clear Creek trails that go all the way to 273 pretty much. But there's a section out here that's pretty washed out. All right, Piety Hill Loop. Gonna go for it. go check out the overlook. So that pretty much finished up the Piety Hill loop. And this is the other loop out here, the Cloverdale loop. It's a little easier of a trail, less technical. There's a few little bumps down here that are fun to hit. Oh yeah. So this whole Clear Creek area is pretty much BLM land. And a lot of the trails in Redding, I would say, I can't really think of that many trails where bikes aren't allowed, because all the trails are multi-use. So you'll see hikers out on a lot of trails as well. And some of them also have horses, like this one, this area. But it's kind of cool. I mean, there's tons of trails in this area, in Redding in general. And you can ride a lot of them. You can run a lot of them. You can hike a lot of them. Lots of options.